Hello YouTube, welcome to Gone Rogue, and in this episode we are going to talk about my taste in music as requested by Call Me Flashback channel, which I think is Matt. Shout out to him. So, my taste in music. I really don't have a taste in music that whatever song is played and whatever song is played on TV, video games, or anything, which I found I like it. It's my favorite music. So about to get on the freeway on a rainy day. So yeah. An example would be Grand Theft Auto 5. The songs on if you played Grand Theft Auto 5, give a shout out to yourself and say that you have played Grand Theft Auto 5 in the comment section and you like to listen to music in the video game. So about to get to I'm going to Fullerton. So yeah, just watch that. It's free. Gotta turn on the fogger. There we go. Yeah, so this is what driving in the rain looks like. And you can see here, the road is so wet that water kicks up and the visibility is down. I like driving in the rain. It's so fun. Actually, it is fun for me, but I really like others that don't like driving in the rain because of drivers. There are some people that I know that hate driving in the rain because other drivers don't know what to do. It's like they forget to know how to drive. I like it because it's water, So change lanes, and I think we're gonna go into a rainstorm as the clouds are getting darker. Well, driving in the rain is pretty easy. I don't know why people find it so hard. All you have to do is leave space the car ahead of you, like what I'm doing right now. So back to my taste in music. And when you get breaks and it starts to pour, like right now. Alright. Alright, forget what I said about driving in the rain. I hate it now. Can't see anything. Alright. Not this much. That's one thing I hate driving in the rain, because when it really pours this hard, you can't see anything in front of your road. And I don't know what that weird sound that is making outside my car, but that doesn't sound good. So I should have left early. So anyway, back to my music taste. I really don't have music taste, like I said again, but I like music when it's played on TV, video games, and whatnot. And if I find it like interesting to me, it's my music. And the freeway is soaked in CDT. So most of my favorite music comes from Grand Theft Auto 5, and every time in the car driving in the video game, and when the music is played, it's my favorite song. I pick my favorite songs from Grand Theft Auto 5, mostly from Grand Theft Auto 5. So, oh, look at that truck picking up the sorry. So, So, there you have it, my tasty music while driving in the rain. So, I'll end this piece with this song. Thank you for watching Gone Road, and I'll see you on the next video.